In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix Glide2x.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to know the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser and search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Now you will find on the first match. So simply click on that and then scroll down and simply click on the download link corresponding to your system type. And once done, click on the folder icon. And then double click on it. Check this box. I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. To simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. Once installed, close all the windows and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click run as administrator option. Type sfc space / scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, to simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, just type exit in the command prompt window and restart your Windows. Next method, also consider to update your Windows. Click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. And simply click the button right here to check for updates, download and install the latest updates for your Windows 11, and that will help you fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.